I'll just show you how to set the sat nav. First of all, click nav. Now it's come up onto the destination already, but if not, if it's on the map, like, oh gosh, sorry, if it's on the map, then this bottom button here corresponds to the destination there, and red light's on, probably to indicate that's the next step you need to take. We want the postcode. It's already got our postcode in there, but I'll do it again. So PR, then we need numbers. Numbers are in the bottom right hand corner there, which corresponds to that button. So we select that, 5, 4, then it defaults back to letters, J, S. You see here, destination on map, it'll show you, or the centre. We've only put a postcode in, so we've not put a street or house number in. So if I just go down to centre there, click centre, you can change it and put street number and so on. Start route guidance.
The routes are being calculated.
That's it done, and it shows you the direction you need to go in the centre of the dashboard as well. So all pretty easy.